Ever pull your patio door shut and realize it just won't lock? That's what a homeowner on Tamar Drive in Columbia had to face. The lock points just wouldn't connect, and the handle was way too stiff. MacArthur Locks and Doors stepped in. We removed the multi-point lock and realigned the door. Now the lock is smooth and solid. No more worries. Check our Yelp verified reviews and see why we're the residential locksmith Columbia trusts. Don't force that door. Call 202-760-4589 today. Let MacArthur Locks and Doors restore your home's security.